Separating the subject from your photo and from its background for easy repositioning it and editing is a very complex task, but not for Canva's AI capabilities. We are going to go over how to extract either assets or text from images with Magic Grab and Grab Text. Let us start by clicking on this first image and navigating to our familiar Edit Photo menu. Once there, activate Magic Grab. What happened next is incredible. Canva's AI will automatically identify the most prominent subject in your photo. Then it will seamlessly separate it from the background, layering it against a regenerated backdrop that matches the original scene. This allows for incredible versatility. You can move this image to a completely different image and create new variations in your design. Now let us shift our focus to Grab Text. Select the next image, again click on Edit Photo, and then choose Grab Text, and then click on Grab Text. In a similar fashion to our previous example, the Canva AI will automatically extract any visible text from the image and separate it into a new object. The font style, including its coloring and style, is selected from Canva's font library. You can experiment with these features to see how different fonts are extracted and how the background is intelligently filled by Canva's generative AI capabilities.